And it was a similar situation in the other parishes across the country as hundreds of students were turned back from most schools amidst the island-wide protest action by teachers. But as parents struggled to find alternative accommodation for their children for the day, there were mixed reactions to the teachers' actions. TVJ's Herman Green has that report.
From the Godfrey Stewart High School in Westmoreland to the Yalas Primary School in St. Thomas and every parish between, the image and message at schools were the same.
We have almost an entire student population. At last month we had more than 1,300 students present. But however, we have less than 10% of our teaching staff.
But with hundreds of students being turned away in the absence of sufficient teachers to accommodate them, the parents say they were left in a precarious position.
I bring my son this morning and I was waiting to see what's going on. Matter of fact, I noticed the staff room and the counselor's office, me actually padlock. So right now, I'm going to take my son back home.
Me ask her what is the problem, she said school now keep. So me say, all right, come. Me I go back a bush, so me carry her with me to the farm.
I have grandchildren sent out to schools, they have to go home back.
There are some schools like the Yalas High School in St. Thomas where Monday's sit-out was not as severe. Principal Mark Malava told TVJ News that 43 of the 59 teachers on staff were present.
73-74% turnout on the part of teachers, my teachers. Will that number hold for tomorrow? I cannot guarantee that. But let's see what tomorrow brings.
In St. James, Paulette, who is also a vendor at the Howard Cook Primary School, says Mondays are one of the busiest school days, with scores of students and sometimes teachers buying snacks, lunches and stationery from them. If the proposed 3-day protest continues, she thinks it will impact her and her colleagues negatively.
We sell, so nothing for us today, but you know the teachers, they have to do what they have to do. We can't do anything about that.
The parents, vendors and the principals are all very much aware of the circumstances which led to Monday's action. Stalled wage negotiations between teachers and the government. Nonetheless, there were mixed views on the situation and the actions of the teachers.
The government give the teacher them more money, the teacher them deserve it. They can do one day and hear what the government have to say and then can stop. It's going to affect the kids because we have GSA coming up. And the children, they have to learn. They have mock tests coming on Thursday and Friday.
Herman Green, TVJ News.